Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Bust a Move on guitar. First, let's focus on the core chords. You'll need to master G major, C major, and D major. These are open chords, making them perfect for beginners. Practice switching between them slowly, ensuring each note rings clear. A simple down-up strum will get you started, building a solid foundation for the song's rhythm. Get ready to groove. Now, let's dive into the rhythm. The main verse uses a straightforward 4-beat strumming pattern. Think down, down, up for a classic feel. Maintain a consistent tempo, using a metronome if needed to keep your timing precise. Experiment with muting the strings slightly with your palm on certain strums. This adds a cool, percussive element that really makes the song pop. Practice slowly, then gradually increase your speed. Understanding the song's structure is key. Bust a Move primarily follows a verse-chorus pattern with a bridge section. Break the song down into these smaller parts and practice each one until it feels comfortable. Once you're confident with individual sections, gradually link them together. Listening to the original track repeatedly will help you internalize the timing, feel, and overall vibe, making your playing more authentic and enjoyable. To add some flair, consider incorporating simple hammer-ons or pull-offs on certain notes within your chords. This can really make your playing sound more dynamic. Also, vary your strumming dynamics, playing softer in verses and louder in choruses, to enhance the song's emotional impact. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep at it. And hey, if you're looking to keep your practice space tidy, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.